Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to lock your account on X. Okay, so first of all, open X on your device. You want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, and you have to scroll until you see settings and privacy. As you can see, your settings are divided into different sections. You need to go to privacy and safety section, and from here go to audience and tagging. At the very top of your screen you should see this option that is called protect your posts, which is responsible for locking your account on X. So you have to turn this feature on, and from the moment that you make your account private, that you lock your account, only your current followers are able to see your posts on your profile, and any new people on X who want to follow you, they must send you follower request that you must manually decline or approve. So tap your profile picture and here select follower requests page, where you can manage basically your new followers on X. So you can accept them or decline them. So that's how you can lock your account on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.